Hello, thank you for watching Wise Old Consumer. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Panasonic nose and hair trimmer. It's the ER430K. So that's the front of the box, side, the back, and the side, bottom, and the top. So the unique feature which this nose and ear hair trimmer has is that it's got a vacuum. Basically it spins a fan and sucks the hair in. So we have the instruction manual, your warranty information, and the unit itself. So it's nicely designed, quite nice to hold in the hand. So it operates off one AA battery. So you can feel the, I guess, the vacuum of the fan. There's just some light airflow. So I'll spare you from the footage of me sticking this up my nose, but the vacuum does work quite well. So it does make clean up a lot easier than your normal nose or trimmer that I've used in the past. So the top just comes off, and here there's a filter. So as you can see, it's sucked in and caught all my disgusting nose hair. So it's just a simple matter of emptying this filter, whereas with your normal nose and ear hair trimmer, I've generally just sort of done it over the sink and would have hairs drop all over the sink or even on the floor, which I would then have to clean up. Whereas with this, I've noticed that there's minimal hair that's dropped on the sink, and in fact I'll say most of it is sucked into this filter here, which makes it great, as there basically is no cleanup that I would have to do.